$10 and $10 from this website. This website, and this is the another magic website. We're going to pay you extra money every single day for free from online, from working home. So you don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to travel anything, you don't have to buy anything, that you can make money like this. And this is the balance, $28, which is 14 pounds on my PayPal account. If you watch the video until the end, I'm going to show you how you can earn money like this every single day. In order to make money from this website, all you need is a microphone, a laptop or smart devices that include your smartphone like Apple or Android. And the third one, very important one for make money online, is internet. Now, before I show the website and how you can make money from it, you need to know one thing about this YouTube channels. I make videos on make money online a legit ways for free. So show your support by liking this video, subscribe to my channels, and again, if you go to my community tab, and then you can find how you can win a £10 PayPal money for free, guys. Take a look at this website. Get paid to test website. Yes, this is a completely new website where you're going to get paid to test website. Number one rule is sign up, visit a website or mobile app. They will give you a command on your email. Open that email and see where the test going to happen with your laptop or mobile app. Complete the test of task, and all you have to do is think and speak out loud through your microphone from the test beginning to the end, and you get paid. Now, after you sign up with this website, they will ask you to install Google Chrome extension or web browser extension plus an app in your mobile phone, so you can do the test on your mobile phones or your computer. And you can see here the test on average take between 15 to 20 minutes to complete. All you have to do is speak your thought out. Look at this, speak your thought out loud, which means there's no right or wrong answer. Whatever opinion you have about that website or app, speak out loudly. Say you don't like the navigation, you don't like the colors, you don't like the letters, or you don't like the font, or you don't like the loading speed, something like that. And also they have a set of questions. You answer that with your own thought. Now then what you can do is you can get paid for that. That you can see these are the instructions you need to follow when you want to make money from this website. Sign up, download their Google Chrome extensions or app on your mobile device, connect your microphone, speak your thought during the test, an average test between 15 to 20 minutes, and receive new tests regularly and get paid via PayPal. That's why you need to have a PayPal account so you can get paid like this one every single day for free, guys. Now, this website is called userpeak.com. Again, companies are come here to this website to get their own opinion about their website and app, and they pay money to this website, and this website pay you money to give honest opinion. So all you have to do is click this one called pre-register now, and it will take you to this page. Put your username, last name, and your email address and click submit, and you can make money from this website. There are hundreds of websites about make money online, testing website and app. If you want to know about that, leave me that in the comment section. I will pick top 10 of those websites where you can earn money worldwide from home using that website, and I will put together the list for you guys. Until that, have a good day. Go to this website and earn some extra money every single day. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.